Dun dun. Found the Shop Miss A store. That's a shop till I jump in there.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today is a really fun video. I feel like I say that in every single video that it's fun, but today I am filming a Shop Miss A haul. So I came back from Texas about like a week ago from yesterday, and I went, of course, to the Shop Miss A store because why not? If I am gonna go over there, I am gonna go into that store and I'm going to buy everything that I see because one, I can afford it, and two, I do not want to pay shipping when I come back here, you know? Might as well just take it with me in my luggage. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be showing you guys what it is that I did buy there. So let's go ahead and get with the vlog.
Guys, look how cute. I love that little setup. Oh my god. Everything's $1. There's little bath bombs and stuff.
Look at some little crystals.
Alright, so I do have this gigantic bag full of stuff. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh, so much stuff. So I think, yep, I still have the receipt. So I spent about $33. I'll be showing you everything that I did buy at that store, and I did film while I was in Texas. So that vlog will be coming hopefully by next week. I'm gonna upload this video first before I upload that one because that the other one is gonna take me, it's gonna take me a little bit more time for me to edit because it is a lot of clips in that video and some things that happened while I was yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Let me show you what it is that I got. So first things first, of course, the only reason I would ever pay the money to go to Shop Miss A is to get these little guys. These are the beauty blenders. I still have some from last year when I bought them, but I can never have enough of these because these things are absolutely amazing. So they're called the Wonder Blender. So I got some in the black, I got some in pink. So I think I bought like a total of 8 of them because it's a lot. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 of those little guys. So that will last me a good while. Still have some from last year, which are in here in this little baggie. The thing that I did buy is this. This is the Creme Shop Stuck On You Long Lasting Eyelash Glue in dark. You can never have enough eyelash glue, especially for $1. So I will be using that. Speaking of eyelash glues, I got some eyelashes because for some odd reason I've been really into lashes, especially fake eyelashes. Some of them are the AOA brand, and I believe only one of them is the Cara brand. But anyway, so I got these are the Audrey fake lashes. So it's like longer on the outer edge and then goes shorter in the inner ones. These are really pretty to me. And then I got these kind of look like just a very standard eyelashes, and I really like them for really that nice and intense makeup look. So these would be perfect for that. Scarlet, I just love the way that they look, and it's gonna make your eyelashes look very full. And I have Marilyn. Marilyn's really pretty. Kiara, this one's probably my favorite one because I feel like this one will fit my eye shape way better than the other ones. And then this one's Mila. Same thing with this one. I think this one's gonna fit my eye shape very good. This is another thing that makes this store so worth the drive to go and check it out, are their brushes. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of their brushes. I used some today, but I picked some more up because they did have some that didn't. Why is my eye look a little sad on this side? I don't know if it's my hair just hanging on my eyelash or what. So I did pick up some of their brushes that I didn't have, and I'm guessing that were new this time around. So the first one that I got was this one. This is the High Definition Brush F7. This is a foundation brush from how it looks like. So I will be trying this on one of these days. Another thing are these. This one is the E123 brush, and it's just a nice little flat brush. This is perfect for packing on highlight in your inner corner and stuff. So that's perfect for that. This one looks amazing for highlight. Oh my gosh, this is the F19 brush. I don't think I have this brush. So this one is going to be perfect for applying your highlight. And then the last one is this little angled brush. This one's the E116. Looks like that. This one, again, is perfect for applying shadow on your lower lash line. So these brushes, again, are only $1 freaking dollar. And I still have some more. Still more on my thing. These are just a couple of them. But these brushes are amazing. They do not shed on you when you wash them. They're good as new. They last such a long time. I mean, I've had these for about a good year now. Some of these maybe even 2 years. I know this one I bought this last year, and I think one of these I bought them the year before that, so it's been with me for 2 years, and I've washed them basically every day when I do my makeup. So they last a really long time, and for $1 they're very good. Okay, so another thing that I did get was this little headband. So this little thing, I bought it because it matches my robe, my Victoria's Secret robe that I do have. And I'm like, this would be so cute to like wear when I do my makeup, because I also have another one. I have another one, and this one's the pineapple one that I bought in at the Dollar Tree. But this one's kind of dirty, and this would be really cute like after I come out from the shower, put my hair back, and when I do a mask or when I do my makeup. So all right, so another thing that I did buy was this Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer. So I have one of these already. Never actually used this until one day recently that I used this, and I fell in love with it. I was like, oh my god, how come I've never actually used this? It was before I left to Texas, so I didn't bring that with me. I brought a different primer, so I didn't really get to like use it up. That's why I still have it, but I bought a new one because I was like, I really like the way that one worked, and I know I won't be going back until next year, so in case that one finishes before the year's up, I have a backup one for that. So I only bought one backup. I didn't buy a lot because I know I'll be going back eventually. Also got these AOA makeup wipe cleansing lavender wipe things. I only bought one of these because I don't really know how well they work. So yeah, so I just bought one little case, and also because I some for my bag, like to put inside my bag when I go out, because sometimes my makeup does get a little irritating. So I bought one of these. Also picked up some of these press powders. So this is the AOA finishing press powder, and then this one right here. So these are backups for these because I use these all the freaking time for underneath my eyes, and I used it today. And then this, I use it all the time as well. So I bought backups for those because I actually really do like them, and I use them. They're not just sitting there. Okay, so I did get a AOA pressed highlighter. I don't know how this works, so I'm curious and I want to try it out one of these days. One of the newer things that I did get, that I purchased, that I wanted to try out. So there's this one. This one's called Harris. I got these AOA blushes. So I've never seen these before. I'm guessing they just recently came out with these. So I got 3 different shades. So this one's more of a peachy shade. This is called Whimsy, more of like a peachy shade. It's looking a lot more brighter on the camera. It's not that bright in person, I swear. It's a lot more darker. So it looks like that. And then this one's called Darling. So this one's a mauve shade. I really like mauves for my cheeks. And then this one's just Delight. And then this one's just a regular cool toned blush that I love. So I really like these different shades. I love peachies, I love mauves, and I love these little skin tone light pink blushes. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the end of the bag. And that's the end of this haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also click that notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Jolie Silva. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah. I'm home, so I think I should be good.
No, 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 no. Leave it alone. You're gonna drop it and you're gonna break it. The ball. Laura, I have that one. Shadow armor. Oh yeah, look how cute that is. Here, come on. Oh my gosh, look how pretty the rings are. Come here, Ian.
Okay. These are pretty cool. Where's spots?
Really freaking pretty.
This one's big.
Come on. Hmm?
Whoa!
What? No, not that, Papa.